Hello my Stitchlings and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell, I've been super sick. So we've missed quite a few days of opening our yarn advent calendar. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and open up a couple days of it, play some catch up, and I'll play catch up in my next video as well so that we can get back on track. So sorry about that, but it was like the literal plague. I'm not the only teacher out sick at my school. All the kids are out sick. It's craziness. So we're just trying to get to break. Let's go ahead and open up day 5, I think. Did we do 5? We did do 5. Okay, 6. Here we go. The edges of this box are really strong. Oh, come on. Oh. It looks like a turkey. That's all I can think of, probably because we did so many turkey crafts in my classroom. But maybe it would make a cute little pumpkin, hopefully. Let's go ahead and do that. I know fall is over, winter's here, but I love fall the most, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, here is our little finished pumpkin. It's not super pumpkin-y because of the different colors. The shape is kind of giving apple. But I'm just proud of myself for showing up late, but still showing up and actually making something. Thank you so much for hanging in there and waiting for me. And I hope we will be on our regular schedule from now on. Knock on wood. I was really hoping I wasn't gonna get sick when I planned to do this originally, and of course without fail it happened. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a happy holiday season. Bye.
What should I put at the end of my video?